Now, Jamaica is gearing up for one of its busiest sporting seasons, with over 250 athletes set to compete across 36 disciplines at both the CAC and the Commonwealth Games between July to August. The Jamaica Olympic Association launched the campaign for both games recently.
Jamaica will be sending its largest ever delegation to the 100th CAC Games to be held in Santo Domingo, the Dominican Republic from July 24 to August 8. There will be a contingent of 259 persons, of which 184 are athletes set to compete across 26 sporting events. The nation will compete in athletics, football, basketball, netball, boxing, fencing, gymnastics, weightlifting, hockey, rugby, shooting, swimming, diving, chess, among others. The delegation will be led by Raymond Grant, Vice President of the Jamaica Football Federation, JFF.
It is a field that I'm very new in, and therefore that in itself provides some challenges. But with the competency of the Secretariat of the GOA and our constant exchange with the Secretariat also of the CAC Games, it makes it a little bit much easier. But of course, you will agree that the experience on the day of the event is what will count, and I will use my management skills and my experience in other fields to navigate the waters.
We have established from the inception of this administration a policy that governs our games, and part of the policy deals with logistics. So there are protocols in place, and all we just simply have to do is to inform the management team of those protocols and let them understand that certain things are non-negotiable. And as I said, you're dealing with persons who have already managed, albeit a smaller delegation, in the past in their particular sports. So it's just about combining expertise and competencies to ensure that on this global stage, particularly the CAC Games, where we have a very large contingent, that all will be well.
Meanwhile, a delegation of 109 persons, including 76 athletes across 10 sporting disciplines, will be representing the country at the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland, scheduled for July 23 to August 2. The island will be represented in athletics, netball, swimming, judo, track cycling, para-athletics, among others. The delegation will be led by Rowan Wilson, President of the Jamaica Rifle Association.
I am absolutely ready. The great thing is that there was a preparatory conference in March of this year in Glasgow at the actual location, and we were able to see all the various sporting facilities, all the accommodation. We were made to become au fait with the standards as it relates to transportation protocols, all the various issues surrounding management of Jamaican delegation in Glasgow. So I'm absolutely confident that we'll have a seamless time there in Scotland.
So our management team has been in place for some months now, over a year. So they have taken on the task of managing logistically, managing financially as well, because we see some of the responsibilities of the games to our managers.
Despite the massive undertaking, President of the JOA, Chris Samuda, says he's confident in the leadership of the delegations.
I have absolutely no doubt that based on their own experience in their particular sports, that they'll be able to execute the games and there will be a success after the games.
In the meantime, Jamaica will be looking to better its medal tally at both games. The nation won 19 medals at the 2023 CAC Games in El Salvador, while tallying 15 medals at the 2022 Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.